Okay, so today we're going to talk about balance. We are going to talk about symmetrical balance and rule of thirds. Symmetrical balance is when you place an object or a person right in the middle of your frame. You're going to have the same amount of space on the left hand side just as the right hand side. So if we take a look at this bridge picture, we can see that whatever is on the right hand side is showing up on the left hand side, and we are looking directly in the middle of this bridge. So we want to make sure that we're doing that for symmetrical balance. Rule of thirds is a little bit different, but it is balance. And what you're going to do is you want to think about breaking your picture into almost like a grid. You want to break it into equal thirds, and you want to place your object or your subject on either the left-hand side line or the right-hand side line. Your objects are still going to feel balanced because even though there's more space over here, there's a good amount of space over here that's going to keep it feeling balanced. But there are do's and don'ts to both of these. So let's take a look. For symmetrical balance, you want to make sure that the same amount of space, as I've said before, is on the right hand side and the left hand side. So if you look at this picture, I am not in the center of the frame. I am off to the left a little bit. So this is what you do not want to do. This picture, though, on the right is what you do want to do. You want to make sure that your person that you're photographing or the object is right in the middle of the frame and that you have the same space on the left-hand side as the right-hand side. For rule of thirds, you want to make sure that you're once again breaking that picture up and you're placing your subject on the correct line. And you want to make sure that even though there's going to be more space on one side, you don't place them too close to the edge of the frame. So this is what you want to aim for, this picture over here. This picture on the left-hand side is what you do not want to do. You don't want to put your subject over near the edge of the frame this close because now the picture feels unbalanced and it's not technically rule of thirds. So we want to aim for this, not this. Okay, so you're going to go ahead and go out in the hallway. You're going to get a pass, and you are going to take 3 pictures of symmetrical balance and 3 pictures showing rule of thirds. You'll come back into the room and show the teacher what you have taken pictures of. Have fun.